Alright everyone, welcome back to the Mode of Anatomy. Today is a very special day. Here in this box, by the way, I got the proper box cutter. I was about to bring my old knife, but I know I was gonna trigger some people. So I've had this package for about a month now, and I'm super excited. Yes, I have no idea. This is one of those pieces that even if I don't ever get to install it, I'm just glad that I have it, I was glad that I found it. Just searching and searching and searching and searching with some help from a gentleman from Japan. I hit him up, I'm like, hey, where did you get that wing? He's like, oh, you can try, this website or this website. And some of the links didn't work. I ended up doing more research, came across one, contacted the company. They were like, well, we have some, but let me look. They looked, only had one. I got it. Well, I think I got it. I haven't opened up the box. I've had the box sitting for like about a month. You guys know that I order stuff, I get it, and it sits. So it's a wing, and it's not just any wing, because I can't cut something straight. Let me keep this somewhat cohesive. It's a wing that it's a legendary wing, especially in the core community, and I never thought I was ever going to come across it. I don't even know if it is that wing because I haven't opened up the box. Legit opening up with you guys, and the shipping was really fast. By the way, if I do come across it, I'll definitely post it on the community tab. Just help some of the core community members. But I'm scared to even open it. I feel like those I think Ryan opens up toys or whatever videos. Some of you guys may recognize the wing. Instructions are in Japanese, so yeah, we're gonna have fun installing it. Ooh. I don't get nervous for a lot of different things nowadays, but this is definitely one. Like I said, it's just a piece that even if it never gets installed, the fact that let's see, screws are over there. Man, I'm scared. Alrighty, so let's put it like this so we can get a nice little view. Man, it's scary. The fact that it's humid today and in Cali, it's a small reason why I'm sweaty. The other reason is this is a very unique piece, and I don't know, I would think it's fragile, and I hope that there was no damage coming over from Japan. And you guys know that no one's gonna be sitting there thinking, oh, this is a rare piece, let me put it nicely and gently. People just throw things because they're in a rush, or they don't care, they don't like their job, or I don't know, maybe it wasn't label. I don't see a fragile label, but still, there was a lot of wiggle room, and there wasn't, so not very super impressed with the packaging, but maybe they just had it there and they thought it was gonna be local or a local pickup, and here we go. I mean, I definitely see the shape of it is what I think it is or what I order, but it's always the details, right? Oh wow. it is. Wow. I don't know how I feel right now. I don't ever want to put this thing on. This thing feels so fragile. It's plastic, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, man. And so there you guys have it, man. Right there. Those who know will know that this is obviously a rep JTTC wing from the Castro and PIAA, I think it was, the touring cars from the 90s. Oh my god, this is, I've had it for about a month. I hadn't even opened it. I'm so glad. There seems to be no damage. I'm so glad, because this is fragile, man. I mean, wow. It's let me change the view on the console. I'm like shaking right now. I don't know what to do. Let me change the view so I can show you a better angle. All right, guys. So there you guys have it. JTTC wing. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even know what direction it's supposed to be. All right, it's supposed to be like this because of the wing. It goes backwards. So, boom. You're looking at it from being on top of the hood. The question is, which car is this gonna go on, Jackie or Rosie? The answer is obvious. It's gonna be Rosie, and the reason why is because it just gives it a nice look as a sedan. Yes, the original touring cars are in 96, 97, but I couldn't find 96, 97 when I was looking for Rosie or a car. Came across Rosie, and I'm in love with that car. So, you know, yes, it's not 100% accurate. In fact, you know, this is a rep, and I'm okay with that. This is a piece that, you know, I hope it doesn't get damaged. Like I said, I am planning on rocking it on Rosie. I don't know at this moment if I am gonna spray Rosie, give a different color, but man, I'm excited. I'm super. You guys have no idea. I don't even feel like putting it on, to be honest with you guys, because it's such a nice piece. I thought it was gonna be a little bit wider, but again, you know, I guess I'm comparing it to like Voltex and those wide wings. My favorite part of it is the side. Obviously, the side is gonna be the part that I like the most, because from the side and from the front, 3/4 angle, you can just see this little corner peak, and that's just, for those that don't know, they're gonna be like, look at that riser, and I'm completely okay with that. I'm looking forward to that, because it goes to show you that some people don't know history, and when they don't know history, then they talk, right? But yeah, this is wow. All right, guys, we'll move the camera to the back, and obviously it's gonna sit, I think, this yay right here. I gotta look at the instructions, but it's absolutely amazing. It doesn't flow with the coupe, and that's the reason why it's not gonna go on Jackie. It's gonna go on Rosie, and it's not because I'm afraid of what people are gonna say. If I wanted to put it on Jackie, I would put it on Jackie. It doesn't matter. But to me, it just belongs on a, you know, sedan touring looking car. And it's funny because the ultimate vision for Rosie is to go with 18s or 17s, tucking in the rear, and then the front, you know, a little bit of tucking as well. However, the style of the wheel that I went with, the SSRs, man, I love the beefiness. And so I don't know when I'm gonna, you know, put this on. Like I said, I've had it just sitting for about a month now, and I don't know if I want to put it on now that I have it here. I know that I always say I want to buy things to use them, but I'm afraid that if it breaks, like, I don't know if I'm ever gonna be able to get another one. it might have to sit. It might have to sit since, you know, for you know, personal reasons. It might have to sit for a little bit, but just knowing that I have these pieces is like one of the most surreal things, because I've been hunting and hunting and hunting for these pieces for, I mean, since 2010. Since no, I lie, 2011, 2012. You know, when I came, you know, got to know a little bit more about the touring, and I mean, that look, the way it comes from the front. Like I said, I'll show you guys my favorite part of the wing. I hope it doesn't fall. My favorite look, and I'm doing it on this just because Rosie's in the street right here. So if we put it right here, you see the little wing on the back just peek out, and that's, again, the coupe looks different than the sedan, and I think that's what it's gonna make a difference. I'm so paranoid because it's windy, as you guys can tell over there. Let me move this a little bit forward because I'm just so paranoid. I think I want to say it's definitely not fiberglass, so it's gonna be some type of plastic, and God, I love it. I just, again, it doesn't look good on coupe. It looks super out of place, and honestly I think it's gonna look out of place on the sedan as well. But for those that know, they're gonna be like, oh, that's bitching. Everybody else is gonna look at me and say, what a ricer, and I'm okay with that. But again, I don't know when it's gonna go on, and couldn't be more stoked, man. This is one of those pieces, man. One of those pieces. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing, because this is surreal. Not gonna lie, you guys definitely were part of something that it's special to me. To some of you guys, is like, whatever, it's a wing, an ugly wing at that. You know, all due respect, I've always said it, I don't really care about other people's opinions, and this is exactly what I wanted. And so, you know, I think I even think I have it, now that I look at it, I think I have it positioned wrong. You know, almost seems like it would be the position the other way, but no, I guess it's right. But anyways, some of you guys might be wondering what's next. Well, what's next is, I guess putting this on and maybe paint matching it. Maybe that opens up the Pandora's box to paint the daily. Some of you guys, I know Rob is gonna be like, shut up, stop, don't, you know, but I love Accords, man. They've been good to me, and man, I'm not gonna cry right now, am I? I don't know. I think I bought this piece just to have it, and maybe I'll never go on, but I'm a loss of words. And if it does go on, I need to have a couple other personal matters straightened out before this thing goes on. Sounds weird, but I don't know. For now, like, that's what's gonna be it. Rosie is good. If that motor blows, Noel, the guy that I just interviewed with the Accord, he did share with me some cool stuff, and I'm like, well, if that engine blows, I might hit you up and we'll do that. But for now, man, I'm in disbelief that this thing came and it's in one shape, and I'm so scared to even handle it. Wow. As always, we go for the car, we stay for the person. Thank you guys for sharing this amazing experience. I know to a lot of you guys it's like, whatever, dude. For me, it's definitely one that 2021, man. I never thought I was gonna be able to get my hands on this, and it's crazy.